everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am coming with a new video for you guys today of laying out my paydays for my full-time job, my part-time job, Etsy, and YouTube, as well as all of my bills and anything budgeting related in the November overview of my Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner. So this planner I use for my budgeting, and this is when I'm done. This is kind of what it'll look like. This is October, so I just lay down all of my bills, any paydays, and anything budgeting relating in here at the beginning of the month, and then I come in here every week and use my expense stickers, the different colors here, to go with my expense tracker, and I lay those down every week. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. I always like to start with my paydays first, just because they're the most exciting, clearly, right? So we're going to start with my full-time job. I get paid every Friday from my full-time job. I was going to do something different. Nope, we'll just do the same. Just put them up in the upper left-hand corner. And of course, the very first one that I lay down is crooked. Lay that little guy down. So there's our first paydays, Friday the 1st. That's actually my oldest son's 13th birthday as well. I cannot even believe that I am going to have a teenager. It just does not even seem possible. It is absolutely crazy. He's my oldest. My daughter is 10, and then my youngest son is 8. So that'll be an exciting day for him. Then we have a payday on the 22nd and the 29th. So November is a magic month because there are 5, well, if you get paid on a weekly basis like me, there are 5 paydays in November. So that is super exciting because obviously you still have, you know, say your car payment is still the same amount payment-wise, but you have 5 weeks opposed to 4 weeks to come up with that money. So that is super exciting. Next I will do, it's stuck there. Next I'm going to do my part-time job, which is paid on a monthly basis, and I've normally been getting it around the 20th, so we're just going to lay that one right there, and I will know that it'll come sometime around that day right there. Next I'm going to do YouTube. YouTube, you get paid once a month, and you actually don't get it from YouTube, you get it from Google AdSense. It comes in on the 21st of every month for the previous month. So what I will be getting paid for in November will actually be for all of October's work. And then last is Etsy. So Etsy, I have it set up to get paid well actually it comes out every Monday, but I don't get it until Tuesday. They have it, you can set it up as weekly pay periods, bi-weekly, and even monthly. Since I do my budgeting on a weekly basis, I just thought it would be best for me to go with weekly paydays as well. So that is what works for me. So Etsy comes in every Tuesday. All of these stickers that you are seeing here, I have listed in my Etsy shop, which I will post a link in the description below. It is Morey June Designs. So that is in there. Alright, so I'm going to start with the very first day of the month, which is rent. And for rent, I have these cute little icon bill due, oh sorry, I have the hiccups, bill due sticker. So we're going to lay one down, and I'm actually going to write on it first, but I lost my marker. So my rent every single month is $200. So we're going to lay, here we go, hold on a second, having a sticker malfunction. There we go. Alright, so we're going to now I try to, so my expense stickers, if you can see here, I like to lay those on the bottom of the day squares. So I like to put my paydays and bill dues more towards the middle to the top, so I have room on the bottom to put my expense stickers every week. So that is, the first is rent. Next, I'm not going to go in any particular order of anything because I'm just kind of grabbing the stickers off of the top of the pile. Cable always comes in around, get my little help cheat sheet here, the 3rd. So since the 3rd is a Sunday, it is automatically withdrawn. I'm just going to put this cable bill right there. And it says cable, but it's actually Hulu. And that is $49. So we have that one laid down. Alright, we will go with credit cards next. My Capital One credit card, if I can find my sticker sheets, here they are. So cute little credit card icons, is $145. And that also actually comes out on the 1st. Just for room's sake, I'm going to put it in on the 31st of October, but I know that it is paid on the 1st. And then next I have another credit card here that's due on the 16th. Where are you? So since 16th is Saturday, I'm going to move it to the 15th. And this one is $27. This is Apple. And I need to get some more credit card stickers. So Apple, again, I'm just going to put it towards the top here. So that is on the 15th. And then the last debt would be car payment, which my car payment icon stickers, and that is $612, and that is on the 29th of the month, which is right here. Okay, next I'm going to do car insurance with my car insurance icons, and that is $80. Car insurance is due on the 15th. I already have one on the 15th, so just for sake of space, I'm going to move it to the 14th. Let's see, phone. Here are the phone icons. Phone is 102. Yes, 102. And that is on the 6th, which is right here this Wednesday. Here we go. And then my kids' lunch and tumbling are all also due on the 1st. So I am going to, little tumbling sticker, I'm going to put that, I'm going to put them down here on the 2nd. So this will be 65. And then school lunch, I'm just going to grab one of the bill due stickers. Lay it down, and that'll be the school account, and that is $70. Rent, gas, trying to think. I think that might be everything. 101 PayPal, yeah, that's all of the bills that I have. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to take my expense tracker here, take it out of October because we are done with the month of October. I cannot believe how fast October flew by. It is insane. And then I'm going to put it in November. And then it's kind of nice because I use this overview a lot more than in the other pages, so it's also kind of a really good bookmark. So I can open right into my November overview spread here. And then every week I'll come in here and track my expenses using this legend as well as my expense stickers that look like this here. I will track those. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you were, oh wait, you know what? I want to add one more thing. These are not my stickers. These actually came from Planner Chick Designs on Etsy, but these, I just think these are really cute. So I like to plan or budget every Friday. So I'm just going to lay some of these down. It says do the budget, budget my money, and I'm just going to fill them, kind of fill them in here in between Friday and Saturday. I just think they're cute. They add a little bit of just a little bit of something extra to my planner. And the colors are super cute also. And then I also like to put one at the beginning of the month because I, just like I am coming in here right now and doing, I always come in and do my monthly budgets, plan out my month and everything else. So if you liked any of the stickers that you saw, I'll post a link to my Etsy shop in the description below, or these ones, like I said, are Planner Chick Design stickers. And I hope you guys have a great week or weekend whenever you're watching this. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!